Hello students and aspirants. In this video I am going to teaching you the rule number 12. What is rule number 12? Rule number 12 is about adverb. When the sentence start with adverb, the structure will be the helping verb should be placed after adverb. Helping verb followed by adverb. See this? Hardly is a adverb. Hardly he want there it started raining. This sentence is incorrect sentence. Why? Because after adverb the helping verb should be present. Here the subject will be present. So this sentence is incorrect. Note that student, helping verb do, does, did, as, had, have. These helping verbs are present after adverb. Hardly adverb followed by helping verb did. Hardly did he go there when it started raining. This sentence is correct sentence. Adverb, helping verb, subject. No sooner. No sooner is a adverb. Adverb followed by subject. So this sentence is incorrect sentence. When the sentence start with adverb, the sentence called as inversion sentence. Inversion sentence start with an adverb. Adverb plus helping verb do, does, did, as, have, had. Followed by subject. Adverb plus helping verb plus subject. The inversion sentence be like adverb followed by helping verb followed by subject. Adverb plus helping verb plus subject. Rarely did he. Rarely adverb did helping verb he subject. This sentence is correct. Adverb followed by helping verb followed by subject followed by main verb. See this sentence. Seldom have I seen such a beautiful view. Seldom adverb, have helping verb, I subject, seen main verb. To note that student, this is for extra information. No sooner than. No sooner had I entered the class than it began to rain. Hardly when. Hardly did he go there when it started raining. No sooner followed by than. Hardly followed by when. No sooner followed by than. Hardly followed by when. No sooner than. Hardly followed by when. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.